If you have data with region, product, and sales, and you want to filter it by region for making quick summaries, for this you have to create a drop-down list first. For making drop-down list, go to Data, Data Validation, List, and write region names separated by comma. Click OK. Now your drop-down list is ready. Now for summary table. Select the first cell. Then type is equal to filter, select the sales data. Then select the region column and remember after selecting the region column then write is equal to and then select the drop-down cell to instantly display data for the selected region. Press enter. Done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Excel tips and data tricks.